In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Kaspersky Standard for 3 users, easily, in 2025. So, whether you're securing your home network or a small office setup, this tutorial will guide you through the process in just under 5 minutes. Let's dive right in. First, we need to head over to the Kaspersky website. Simply open up your web browser and type in kaspersky.com. Once there, you'll find a variety of solutions for both home and business users. This is where you'll also find Kaspersky's renowned security products that offer top-notch protection for your devices. Now, focus your attention on the top of the page, where you'll see a link labeled My Kaspersky. Click on it. My Kaspersky is your personal account that manages all your subscriptions and devices in one place. So after clicking this, you'll be taken to the login page. If you've already set up a My Kaspersky account, just log in with your credentials. If not, you'll need to create a new account. This is a straightforward process, requiring some basic information to keep your account secure and personalized to your needs. Once you're logged in, look for the Downloads section within your account dashboard. Clicking on Downloads will take you to a page listing all available products you can install. Here, you will be choosing the product that fits your needs. Next, in this Downloads section, locate the option for Kaspersky Standard. Click on this option. This will allow you to download the installation file directly onto your device. Make sure your internet connection is stable during this process, as it may take a few moments, depending on your connection speed. While you're waiting, let's ensure your system meets the system requirements for a smooth installation. Typically, you'll need a Windows or Mac OS, but make sure to check those specifications closely for compatibility. Now that your download is complete, navigate to your Downloads folder or wherever your browser saved the file. Double-click on the downloaded file to begin the installation. Once the installer opens, follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation. You may be asked to confirm some settings or agreements, so pay attention and agree where necessary to move the process forward. Congratulations! You've now installed Kaspersky Standard for up to 3 users. As a last step, it's a great idea to restart your device to allow any new updates to fully take effect, ensuring that your device has the latest protection features. I hope this tutorial has been clear and helpful. Protecting your digital life is crucial, and now you're well equipped with some of the best tools available. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech tutorials and tips. Stay safe, and see you next time.